Hey, crazy girl. Veg.
Where are they at, the family?
They're at work. Mommy and Daddy?
You're with them all the time.
No. Mommy and Daddy are at work on Tuesday and Thursday. Oh, dancy, dancy, dancy. Dancy, 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 dancy.
Fuck you. No. Right, shut up.
Tell her to sit and give you a high five. Maybe she'll do it for you.
Sit. Sit.
That's not sit.
Sit. Hey, sit. Hey, you sit and high five.
Is he so smart?
Sit. Sit.
Oh, I was gonna give you a
Sit.
cookie.
Sit. Oh, it opens. I didn't know that. Hold on. So.
Just look how motivated she is right now. She's the cutest thing ever. Look at that tush.
High five.
High five for Cookie. Good
Sit.
girl.
High five. Good girl. Sit. High five. Good girl. Good girl.